Hello YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm headed towards Coimbatore to decarbonize my car engine. Two reasons for that. One is because my car has already crossed 1 lakh kilometers and it's also due for service. So I thought I'll decarbonize the engine and then give it for service, because I don't think in the showroom they decarbonize the car engine. So I thought I'll give it out and then give it for service. The second reason, and the main reason, is because my car's performance has slightly dropped. And the rain is... I can't even see the road. Oh my god. Literally feel the tires skidding. Absolutely zero traction. The place where I'm headed, it's called the Green Engine Solutions. I found these people on Instagram and I contacted them recently and I inquired, I told them the issue that my car is facing, and I told this is a solution I want. If your engine decarbonizing can help improve my car's performance, then I'll be thinking about it. Otherwise there's no point in doing it. Oh my god, sorry. And they gave me a clearer picture over the call itself, stating that the car's performance will definitely improve, and also the black smoke coming out of your car will significantly reduce. So here he said they'll be sending in some nitrogen air or some kind of mixture through the air filter of your car, and clean all the carbon deposits from the pistons or the cylinder, everywhere. Typically the whole engine, they're going to clean all the carbon deposits, and it's going to come out through the exhaust system. So the process completely takes 45 minutes to 1 hour. That's what they told me. And this is my first time doing engine decarbonizing for my car. It's the first time I'm doing it. So this was much safer and also much cheaper, to be honest. Oh shit. Oh my god. Just check this out, guys. gonna take a long time for him to come. And the Volvo dude is, I don't know where. That Volvo is really nice, man. You guys could have seen there. I just finished my engine decarbonizing for my car and I'm headed back home, and I've done about maybe like 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, and I must say the car has definitely improved in terms of acceleration, especially down that under the 2000 RPM. It definitely feels more punchy now, like it used to before. So in that regards, I say yes, I finally have found what was the issue with my car, why it wasn't performing like it used to before and why it was so sluggish. It was because of the carbon deposits. So this is definitely a very effective thing to do for your car. And it doesn't matter if your car has, driven for like 1 lakh kilometers, or it just doesn't matter. You do it once every maybe 20,000 kilometers, it's very safe and very effective for your car engine, and cleaning those carbon deposits in your car engine, definitely it's gonna increase the life of your car and also the performance of the engine. So in that point of view, I really feel that this is a must-do thing. I don't understand why the car showroom, in the showroom itself, they don't do such a thing. I don't really understand that. But never mind, I've done the decarbonizing for my car now, and it definitely feels much better to drive. Especially under the 2000 RPM. Like I said, I'm not talking about how it performs after the 2000, after the turbo kicks in. It's rock solid in that point, but under the 2000 RPM is where I had that issue, and I feel now that issue has been solved thanks to Green Engine Solutions, for sorting this out for me. I'll probably give a link to their Instagram handle down in the description. Do check it out. And if you guys are from Tamil Nadu, then you just have to call and place an appointment. They come to your doorstep to get the service done for you. On a scale of 10, how much would I recommend this to my friends? It's definitely 10 on 10, because I'm not exaggerating, but this is definitely a good thing for the engine. So it's not about the money or anything. And even the money point, it's really cheap, I would say. I paid just 2,000 for this whole thing, and your car transforms completely to something else. It performs so much better than it was before. So I think 2,000 is a very little price to pay. So definitely, if you guys are planning for that, then I would say you should get this thing done, because unless you try it out, you won't know what exactly it feels like. To be honest, even I didn't know that my engine would perform this better unless I went for it. So I think I'll just wrap this up, and if you guys have any other doubt related to this, feel free to comment down below, and also check out my Instagram page, and feel free to DM me there, because I'll be more active on Instagram. So I'll catch you guys in another video. Until then, take care and stay safe.